Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Kausa binti Umar Isham. My metric number is 2023814346. Today we are present about our observation task in Library UiTM Kedah.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Raihan binti Johari. My student ID is 20234604 and 56.
So this is our table of content, include introduction, organization of information, next information storage and retrieval, access to information, conclusion and reference. First, the definition of organization information is a process that relates to information sources and makes it easy to access material in the library which is needed in the modern web era. Next, the meaning of information storage and retrieval in the library is the process of recovering information from stored and organizing the retrieval information for user. Next is definition of access to information is the access to seek, receive and impart information on different kinds of book collection and other reading material that have at the library to user. So we decided to observe this information in the library Sultan Baldi Shah UiTM Kedah for complete its assignment. So this is about organization of information in the library, bibliographic control activity in library, and how library organize material in Sultan Baldi Shah Library. So for organization of information, they organize their library material based on classification and cataloging. For the example of library material such as books and serial. So what is bibliographic control activity in library? It is essential for organizing, managing and providing access to library materials effectively. For example, cataloging, they have description cataloging, subject cataloging and classification. Other than that, they have indexing and bibliography. So how Sultan Baldi Shah Library organize library collection? This library used the Library of Congress classification to organize the library material on every shelf. Other than that, this system divides all knowledge into 21 basic classes that each identified by a single alphabet, letter and title. Most of these alphabetical classes are further divided into more specific subclasses, which is by 2-letter or 3-letter. Information storage and retrieval is not new concept. It is an integral part of the communication process that direct result from the desire of people to communicate with each other. For example, of each information storage retrieval system is a library system where information can be stored, processed, organized, and retrieved on demand. Next, the component of information storage and retrieval is a keyword that we use for searching information from a storage device. Besides, when users want to retrieve information, they must address documents such as ISBN, ISSN, call number, or anything that relates to information that user want to retrieve. One of example in information storage and retrieval is System Online Public Access Catalog (OPAC) that allow user for search the library material and retrieve the material. It has basic function for access information such as keyword, book title, author's name, or year of publication. Also, they have provided an advanced search option to user by using Boolean search such as and or not. So the type of ISR is such as title, author, subject, keyword, ISSN, and call number of the material collection. So that's all from me. Next, I will pass it to my friend.
From our observation, we found that there are many ways to access information in the library. Among them is using the UiTM database system. UiTM has 11 databases that are subscribed to for student use, such as the most popular among students are Emerald Insight, Science Direct, Google Scholar, and others. Students are also given the facility to access information such as articles, journals, and so on at any time. Furthermore, students are also given facilities to access information using computers and the internet provided by UiTM in the library. And this is also can help students who live in the dormitory who far away from the library to find information to complete their assignment or so on. And in addition, in our observation, we found that students can also use the OPAC system, that is stand for Online Public Access Catalog, that can be found on UiTM Library website. OPAC helps students to search for materials without a librarian's assistance. It is designed to be searched by title, author, subject, or keyword in an interface which is found more user-friendly than the previous card catalog. One of the unique aspects of an online public access catalog is accessible by all parties, which means that anybody, regardless of their age, status, or even their level of knowledge about computers, is able to use the system. Using OPAC also helps users, mostly students, or lecturer or staff, to find books and identify the book's position on the bookshelves without needing the help of a librarian. Thus, this will help librarians to save time and energy as they have a lot of work to do. And furthermore, we also found that students can also be allowed to borrow books for a certain period, but however, if the book is lost or fails to be returned within the specific time, the student will be fined by the library. Also, students are not allowed to enter the syllabus book sections, only can be accessed by UiTM staff and lecturer. But even so, students may be allowed to enter if they have permission and are under supervision of UiTM staff. In the library, there are 2 floors that house bookshelves of various subjects, including information management, business administration, art and design, and more, that related to UiTM book courses. And each book has been arranged in an orderly manner according to the call number that has been set by the library according to the format. Each book is arranged on the shelf according to its respective subject. After that, books that have been taken or borrowed will be placed on a small wheeled shelf to be rearranged back by the librarian. So the conclusion is, based on the experience we have, we're getting to know that information is very important in daily life because it contains current news that is definitely important to know to make decision making in future and so on. And they are also very valuable in the future. And additionally, many information organizations have been created to make it easier for people to access information and reading materials for daily use. Thus, various systems have been created to make it easier for people to access information online, in addition to being able to save time and manpower. And moreover, the information obtained is also accurate and up-to-date. In addition, many ways have been found to obtain information from the library, among which is by using OPAC database or by searching or borrowing book physically. Through this experience, we have a better understanding of the library system in the process of storage and retrieval of information. And we can also try to use the facilities provided by the library there. And we are very satisfied with this experience. And we can say that we will convey it to others who still do not understand the function of the library. So, last but not least, this experience can also to some extent give us knowledge about information organizations and how they do the process of storing data that is very uncountable. So that's it from us. Thank you for watching. Bye. So this is reference that we refer to complete our assignment. Other than observation in the library, we also use online materials and printed materials.